Hello everybody, my name is Charlotte Rivera Molero and my dream trip is of Grace. This is the map and Grace is located in southwest and Europea. Trip duration and date. The trip duration of trip is 40 days and we beat on December 21 on 2025. The budget is from 7,000 to 9,000. To concept and pray for 2 weeks. Food is 956 and 56 and transport is 107 120 24. Housing is 200 211 19.4. Flight ticket is 200 628 and 86. An excursion to place our interest is 200. On January 1, 2001, the Greek government presented the euro to its people, officially disconnecting any impression of the previous exchange unit and the drug market. Although junctions are still in circulation, they are only accepted by a small private business and the change is usually in euros. Place of interest. Poseidon Temple. This popular Doric temple, built in the time of Pericles, is located the top of a cliff above the Asia, where you can enjoy particular sunset. It is worth a visit to the place. Acropolis and Parthenon. It is sacred temple of the goddess Athena, with its simple Doric style was inspired officially architecture throughout the world. Santorini. The hotel clinging to the cliff. The picturesque wooden road of volcanic location. Excellent local wines and food place. Santorini on the list of places to visit. National Archaeological Museum of Athens. This is the perfect place for an immersion in Greek culture and history. Two large bronze sculptures stand out, Poseidon and the young horseman, also known as Artemision Pater. Mykonos is attract tourists from its amazing beach. Its vibrant nightlife, its shopping, race, and the holiday atmosphere is inherent. Reason to visit this country. One of the reasons why I want to visit Greece is because of its culture and its great movements that it has had during the past years. In addition to being able to populate their topical food and be in another every month outside the routine. This is reference of thank you for watching this video.